All right, let's get cooking. This will be the first time we will be working in our admin folder. So in our admin folder, we've got to create a new class. I'm gonna put some things out here just for clean. Like we did last time in this folder, we're gonna run our views. So we're gonna create a function, public function run views. We're gonna create this class, and we will run it in the constructor. All we have to do is delete the partials folder, create a view folder, create this class. Voila. And let's create this class. So PHP class to delete order pickup. And in here we will create a constructor. Public function construct add action WooCommerce admin order data after shipping address. This is exactly right here in this jargon. And we will run display order metadata function, which we'll have to write. I have already written that function just to save some time. So this function will be run here. The type is we'll get the following from the order meta. So the order meta is this, and we'll get this field. If that field is delivery, we will print delivery with the delivery date. If that is takeaway, we will print takeaway, and we'll have to write a match shop function. I've already written that function right here. So match shop. If the ID is 1, it's Nivelle. If it's 2, it's Hamburg. If it's 3, it's home, and we'll return the shop ID. Last but not least, we have written a print function here. And well, this is just this. It's a print function. It's a printf. First an h3 with the title. Then the shipping type over here with the parameter. If everything's working correctly and I refresh my order, we should see pickup and delivery on the 27th of October. And that's it. We've written our own custom plugin to enhance the user's pickup and delivery abilities. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and this will help me create more of these types of videos. If you have any ideas, let me know in the comments below. Thank you.